initial, initial, initial.
This word refers to something that happens or exists at the very beginning of a process, time period, or situation. It's the first part or stage of something. Here is a sample sentence. The initial steps in solving this puzzle were to read the instructions carefully and gather all necessary materials. In this example, initial refers to the first or beginning stages of something.
Initially, initially, initially.
This word means something started or happened first, before anything else. Here is a sample sentence using the word initially. The company initially planned to launch its new product in June, but later decided to push back the date to July due to unforeseen production delays.
Initiate, initiate, initiate.
This means to start something or make someone do something for the first time. Here's a sample sentence. The new employee was initiated into the company's policies and procedures during her first week on the job. In this example, initiated means to introduce someone to a process or system, often with the goal of getting them started or familiarized with it.
Initiative, initiative, initiative.
It's an action or plan that someone starts on their own without being told to do so by others. Here is a sample sentence. The company's new CEO took the initiative to restructure the organization and implement cost-saving measures, which led to significant improvements in efficiency and profitability. In this example, initiative refers to the act of taking action or making decisions on one's own, often without being told to do so.
Inject, inject, inject.
To put something into something else, usually through a small opening or hole. Here's a sample sentence. The doctor injected the patient with a flu vaccine to protect them from the virus.
Injure, injure, injure.
To cause harm or damage to someone's body, making them feel pain or unable to function properly. Here is a sample sentence. The accident caused her to injure her knee, which left her unable to walk for several days.
Injury, injury, injury.
It's something that happens to your body when you get hurt or damaged, often causing pain or discomfort. Here's a sample sentence. The athlete suffered a severe injury to her knee during the game, which will likely keep her out of competition for several weeks.
Injustice, injustice, injustice.
It's when something is not fair or right, and someone gets treated unfairly because of who they are or what they have. Here is a sample sentence. The widespread corruption in the government was a clear example of injustice, as it allowed those with power to exploit and oppress the vulnerable members of society. This sentence illustrates how the concept of injustice can be used to describe a situation where there is unfair treatment or mistreatment of individuals or groups.
Inland, inland, inland.
This word refers to something that is far from the sea or ocean, often located on land that is not near a coastline. Here is a sample sentence. The tourists spent their vacation exploring the scenic inland areas of the countryside, marveling at the rolling hills and sparkling lakes.
Innocent, innocent, innocent.
This word describes someone or something that has not done anything wrong and is free from blame or guilt. Here is a sample sentence. The young child's wide, trusting eyes and sweet smile made her look utterly innocent.
Innovate, innovate, innovate.
To find new ways to do things, or make something better by changing how it's done. Here is a sample sentence. The company's decision to invest in renewable energy and develop new technologies helped them innovate their manufacturing process, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. In this sentence, innovate means to introduce new or improved methods, products, or services.
Innovation, innovation, innovation.
It's the process of finding new ways to do things, or making something better than it was before. Here is a sample sentence. The company's commitment to innovation led to the development of a revolutionary new product that quickly became a bestseller. This sentence demonstrates how the word innovation can be used in context, highlighting its meaning as the process or result of introducing new ideas, methods, or products.
Innumerable. Innumerable. Innumerable.
This word means too many to count or be numbered. Here is a sample sentence. The stars in the night sky were innumerable, twinkling like diamonds against the dark canvas. In this sentence, innumerable means impossible to count or enumerate because there are so many. It's used to convey that the number of stars is too great to be counted or listed.
Inquire. Inquire. Inquire.
This means to ask questions or find out more information about something. Here's a sample sentence. The detective asked to inquire about the suspicious activity that had been reported at the store. In this sentence, inquire means to ask questions or seek information.
Inquiry. Inquiry. Inquiry.
It's a process of asking questions to find out more about something or someone, usually to understand or solve a problem. Here is a sample sentence. The detective launched an inquiry into the suspicious fire at the old warehouse, seeking to determine its cause and identify any potential culprits. In this example, inquiry refers to a formal investigation or examination into a particular matter.
Insane. Insane. Insane.
This word describes someone or something that is completely out of control, often in a way that's not normal or healthy. It means they're not thinking clearly or behaving rationally. Here's a sample sentence. The thrill ride at the amusement park was so intense that it left me feeling utterly insane with excitement. In this example, insane is used to describe an extreme or irrational state of being, in this case, a heightened emotional response.
Insert. Insert. Insert.
It means to put something into a space or gap where it wasn't before. Here is a sample sentence. The librarian inserted the new book into its designated shelf, making sure it was properly aligned with the other volumes.
Insider. Insider. Insider.
Someone who has special knowledge or information about something that others don't have. Here is a sample sentence. The company's insider, who had access to confidential financial information, was accused of leaking sensitive data to the press.
Insight. Insight. Insight.
It's a deep understanding or knowledge about something, often gained by thinking carefully or experiencing things firsthand. Here is a sample sentence. Her insight into human psychology helped her write a novel that was both realistic and engaging. In this sentence, insight refers to a deep understanding or perception of something, in this case, human psychology, which allows someone to make accurate judgments or prediction.
Insignificant. Insignificant. Insignificant.
This word refers to something that is too small or unimportant to be noticed or considered important. Here is a sample sentence. The small scratch on my car's bumper was insignificant compared to the damage that would have occurred if I had crashed into another vehicle. In this example, the scratch is not a major issue and does not have much impact or consequence. The word insignificant effectively conveys that it is not worth worrying about or making a big deal out of.